The Vivo X300 series is now official. It includes the base X300 with a compact design and the X300 Pro. Both smartphones are powered by the recently announced MediaTek Dimensity 9500 SoC with Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. X300 available in black, blue, pink, and purple color options. It comes with a 6.31-inch 8T LTPO panel with 120Hz refresh rate with 1.5K resolution. Both X300 and X300 Pro support the Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender. The X300 carries a 200-megapixel Zeiss primary camera paired with a 50-megapixel telephoto module, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, with Vivo's V3 Plus imaging processor and Origin OS 6. Battery capacity is 6,040 mAh with support for 90W wired and 40W wireless charging. The base X300 starts at 4,399 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.